round of applause.
Hello everyone! Hi! I would just like to welcome all of you, each and every one of you. Thank you for giving us your time and your effort going here. Alam ko, umuulan. And we opened on a Monday, so I'm so sure sobrang busy kayo. But, welcome to Ascendra! Dito po ang ating bagong bahay. At please treat our new home with love and respect. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Of course, we would also like to hear from our COO, Mr. Rico.
Alright, welcome everyone. Are you all excited? We are all very excited. And of course, we want to thank each and everyone for spending this wonderful time. This is actually a milestone para sa ating lahat. This wonderful office is not just an office, but a place of inspiration, place of hope, place kung saan marami tayong i-build ng mga pangarap at tutuparin mga pangarap ng mga naniwala sa atin. So from all the founding partners and all the guests, eto na po ang simula ng ating partnership. Progress natin lahat. So again, this office is going to be a start of a new beginning for every one of us. Let's make this a wonderful place of hope and love. And of course, ang goal natin lahat dito, pag pumasok po tayo lahat, ramdam na ramdam po tayo. Again, thank you very much and welcome. Ascendra International, ang partner sa pag-asenso.
Thank you so much. I'll be very sorry for your request and technical team po to avoid playing of music muna for our media po para marinig po natin ang lahat ng messages. Thank you. And of course, we would like also to hear from our CSO, Joseph Lim.
Thank you po sa lahat, lalo na po sa mga galing Mindanao, galing Luzon, galing Norte, and galing Bukidnon. Pwede palakpan natin ang commonly po naririnig natin sa multi-level, kailangan mahirapan, kailangan sakripisyo para makuha mong pangarap. Dito po sa Ascendra, papadalihin po natin ang pagkuha ng kasi Ascendra, partner niyo po ito sa pag-asenso. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, CSO Joseph Lim, and of course, our CEO himself, Jurgen Gonzalez.
We're very excited to offer our value to each and every one of you. Pero as early as now, gusto ko pa magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga nagtiwala sa Ascendra since the beginning. We are on a pioneering stage. Wala pa tayong napatutunayan. Pero nandito kayo para pagkatiwalaan kami. Kaya naman sabi namin, hindi namin sisirain ang tiwala binigay nyo sa aming lahat. Kaya sama-sama tayo, tama sinabi ni CSO, ni CEO, and of course our CFO. Kami, kapartner nyo sa pag-asenso, padadaliin namin ang pagyaman nyo sa Ascendra.
Thank you so much. Let's give a round of applause for our founders of Ascendra International. Pakapaka naman natin sila. Of course. And now, of course, for our media, for our interviews po, of course. For Q&A from our media also. So, media part. So, let's start the ball. So, alright. So, we request everyone to alright.
Excuse me. I'm only actually why the color orange? What's the color orange to Ascendra?
Why the color orange?
Well, for one, orange symbolizes joyful, hope, and of course yung aming tagline ng kapartner sa negosyo. That's why we chose color orange. Yeah.
And who coined the name Ascendra? Because obviously it's to ascend, to go up. Who created the name?
Well, for one, ang Ascendra is actually, came from words ascend to a new era. So it's like we're trying to rise up, climb up to a new era, and we're trying to revolutionize the industry in a way that our value proposition is unique among all other companies out there. That's why we coined the word Ascendra. Ascend to a new era.
What is the new era all about?
New era is about, going up to a new era of doing network marketing, professionalizing the industry, offering value that others could not offer, and of course the opportunity for each and every one to really have a value, because a lot of people are not actually inclusive to the industry. We like to rise to a new era where everybody is included, where everybody is being valued, where everybody is being trained the right skills and strategy to build their business.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you.
Hello, this is Rami from the Lifestyle Portal. My question is, what are the products or services that Ascendra offers to the market?
Alright, thank you. Actually, the three major offerings that we have, we call it the MVP. The ultimate goal of Ascendra International is to actually make every member the MVP or the star of their life. And for you to become the best MVP, you need to have mastery, vitality, and protection. So that's actually what our packages, our enrollment packages are included in, the benefits. MVP, M for mastery, that is the structured learning. V for vitality, because it's very hard to progress if you are not healthy, right? So, and of course, last is P for protection, because we offer financial protection. The first foundation of financial management is you need to make sure that your cash flow is protected. So we offer coverages from our partner insurance companies. So MVP, because in AI, lahat tayo dito MVP na mga buhay natin.
And follow-up question to that, what are the target markets or industries of your company?
Basically, the target market is actually dynamic. It's actually diverse. First, the target market number one, mga founding partners natin are previously network leaders coming from different companies. In fact, on our mission, it's very clear. Ascendra International is here to serve and make and to help grow all the committed dreamers. So as long as you're a dreamer, and you are committed, because it's very easy to become a dreamer, right? But what we need, what we want, and what we need to help are people who are also committed. Mahirap tulungan eh, yung mga taong ayaw tulungan yung sarili nila. That's why it's very distinct in our mission statement that we want to help grow people who are committed dreamers. So everyone, small and medium enterprise owners, mga sales people or sales team organizations that are having a hard time to scale up, they can actually enroll to Ascendra International to actually enroll sa aming structured learning, yung Ascend program, educational system. Others naman, they are good in their income, they're good in their business, pero they want to have a longer life, vitality, a healthier, lively life. So we also have an offering for them. And for some business owners, maybe they have a lot of employees, they have a lot of dependents, and they want to transfer their risk. Then Ascendra International also is the best offering for them to actually cover their individuals, cover their dependents, so that they can transfer their risk and increase the retention of their people. So that's it.
And one last question in my end. Is this the first time that Ascendra is operating, or it is operating a while ago, but maybe online or in different?
Basically, this is the first time ever. In fact, we are just soft launching, soft operating. It's just that we are also very overwhelmed with the response of all the people, all of the dreamers in the industry. Kaya nakakatuwa, we want to thank, nabanggit ng ating CEO kanina, we want to actually give the full appreciation sa lahat ng mga nagtiwala sa umpisa. Kasi hindi pa kami actually nagsisimula. We are just soft operational. Ang plano is we'll have our grand launch on January 2026. So from now up to January, it's still our soft opening or soft launching. But as you can see, the response of the people is just that all of the energies are aligned right now with Ascendra International. We always believe energy can never die. Kaya ito yun. Ito yung energy na never die. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm John Twitter from Kumako.com. I'm a lifestyle blogger. First of all, congratulations on, of course, taking this up. I know this must have been really hard for you guys, but since you are from different MLM organizations and also entrepreneurs yourselves, what does this entail in order for a single person that's not been involved in any of the businesses that you have, how can they be part of it? Can maybe like give us like instruction on how to be one? Yeah. Yeah. Yes po, kung hindi po sila involved yes, on any, do you have trainings first or what happens basically?
Since kami, more than dekada na kami sa industry ng network marketing,
Mhm.
it's very easy for us na turuan yung walang kaalaman namin na matutunan ng business na to. Since we already have a system and meron kami regular mga seminars, turuan na talaga namin from wala kang alam na matutunan in a very short time.
Okay. So first is you have to have undergone a seminar, workshop of some sort.
Workshop, seminar, organization.
Oh, okay.
Itong sa likod natin na second room, every week mo kailangan, dito na sila mismo matutunan.
Okay.
Actually, sa akin na kayo offer namin, kasi honestly, ang network marketing is nasa sa industry.
Yes.
Ibig sabihin, medyo malubog na. But because sa ino-offer namin, kaya nasa Ascentra, Ascent in yung era, nasa gitna kami na hindi lang kami multi-level na it's all about money.
Yes.
It's more about education, paano yung mga tao matuturuan ng knowledge at skills na kailangan nila sa panahon ngayon. Kasi no offense, di ba yung natutunan natin minsan, medyo obsolete, hindi nakakasama sa nangyayari right now sa fast-paced mundo.
Yes.
Kaya ang Ascentra, tuturuan mo natin kayo, maging pinakasukli, maging better person, maging maayos sa magulang, maging sa tatay, maging maayos sa anak, maging sa relasyon, yung pinakamaging maayos sa tao, maliban sa pag-ibig na naman.
Okay. And it doesn't matter what particular educational attainment they have. Kumbaga,
Regardless of your background.
okay. The requirement is just any walk of just any walk of life. They can just come in and then ask you about it. All right. Where can they specifically get in touch with you first? Do you have channels ready as of now?
We have fan page.
Uh-huh.
Facebook page na rin namin.
Okay.
Pwede sila mag-walk dito. Ang pinakamaganda, maghanap sila ng distributor ng Ascentra. Doon sila pumunta para sila sa
So you have existing ones already. All right. And they're everywhere in the Philippines.
Yeah, all over the world.
All right. That's great to know. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I request everyone to lower down your voice po. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat.
Hello, this is Sir Fung from Net25 News. Sir, nabanggit din naman po kanina yung mga products and brands. Pero ang mas naunawaan ko doon is insurance. You are offering insurance. Right po?
Sorry.
Insurance.
Yes, we are promoting and sharing the insurance coming from our insurance providers.
Okay. And aside from that, how's the other products po and brands? Kasi meron po ba kayong physical products? Like yung mga natural na nakikita po natin sa mga networking company.
Yes, meron po tayo yung supplements natin. Sa gabi po July po kayo lalabas. And yung supplements po na yun are barley vision, best barley, and Megalite. Lahat po yun sa inyo kanina. And marami po tayo sa manufacturing. Kasi ito po ang first network marketing company na nakapagsama ng additive with barley na isa rin po superfood which is C-Benefit. Lalabas po yun sa barley vision natin na produkto.
Sa marketing strategy po, aside from this media phone and the promotion campaign po sa social media, may mga gagawin din po ba kayong brand ambassador na kalimitan din po ginagawa ng ibang mga networking?
So yes, we will have macro and micro. Ibig sabihin na hindi lang yung pinakamasikat na mga vloggers or mga mainstream artists, even yung mga normal people pa. Kasi ang gusto namin sa Ascentra, we will be relatable. Hindi kami more on pinaka-highest level ng mga resulta. Gusto namin kahit matouch lang or may tao na because yun ang itatouch namin. Kaya yung gagawin namin ng mga endorser, macro and micro.
And may last question po. How do you ensure that your company will be agile and adaptable to today's fast-changing business landscape? Kasi alam naman po natin, artificial intelligence na naging lumabas.
When you say agile, well, of course, before we formulated Ascendra, for that matter, based on our experience, research, and everything, we incorporated a lot of structured learning. Naglagay din kami ng component na artificial intelligence. And of course, we've included some values, services, na uniquely dito lang makukuha. So, meron tayong mga strategy na kung tawagin like Blue Ocean strategy, which are actually new in the market. So, that's one thing that we can assure that sa aming community, that with all these values that we offer, tatagal at saka talagang magiging napakagandang opportunity ng Ascendra para sa bawat.
Thank you.
Here po. Hi, Angelica po from Manila Standard. I just want to know po, how do you see Ascendra po in the next 5 years po? How do you see Ascendra po in the next 5 years?
Ako, honestly, nakikita ko si Ascendra International in the next 5 years na marami nang natulungan, marami ng tao yung nagawa nila yung purpose nila in life, maraming tao yung naging better versions ng sarili nila sa pamamaraan. Kasi hindi na naman yung pera yung makukuha na pagmamali na po dito sa amin. Ang makukuha ko dito is yung values and yung culture na gusto namin ma-impart sa mga tao na hindi member ng Ascendra. So with that being said, nakikita ko na yung mga magiging parte ng business namin in the next 5 years, yung mga committed leaders na yun, kinaya nilang mag-commit na makuha ang mga pangarap nila, and komportable po yung buhay nila. Kasama ng mga mahal nila sa buhay, happy nila.
Thank you po. Pero, I just want to know po, ano yung plans na to maintain this vision to para po maabot po ng future na vision na nakikita nila for Ascendra?
So, based on my perspective kung paano magagawa yung role ko dito sa aming corporation or company, is that open door yung kami with nakinig, yung mga pagkakamali po namin o pagkakulang namin, willing po kami nagkapit para alam namin kung paano po namin i-improve, kung paano namin maserve ang aming mga distributors, at kung paano po namin sila paano po namin mapaparamdam sa kanila na andito kami, na hindi kami kailangan pinalain para makausap, pero we are reachable, we are relatable, at ito, kahit sa office ng kalabit ka, maaari po nila kami makausap.
Thank you so much and congratulations.
Congrats again. This is Vic from People's Journal. I'm curious po. What if I want to join? Can you give me the steps of to join Ascendra?
Ayan, thank you for that wonderful question. No? So, definitely sign up. Kung sign up po, makikita nyo around us, there are a lot of founding partners and members of Ascendra International. So, the business model is all of our members actually can invite, meron sila mga ID number. And the ID number is one called sponsor ID. So for you to sign up to Ascendra International, you need to have a sponsor. So you need to get the ID number of that sponsor as your sponsor ID. You just need to go to our landing page and just need to click join now. And then you can just fill up all of the information, personal information that are required there. Tapos sa grupo, nalagay yung sponsor ID ng inyong sponsor. And from there, you can choose the enrollment package. We have 5 different enrollment packages from associate, builder, consultant, director, and executive enrollment package. All of those have different values and different inclusions. And from there inside, you po may enjoy yung MVP natin, the Mastery, Vitality, and Protection. Then you can just simply go to your payment method and choose the payment method currently. as our soft operations. We're still accepting bank deposits and over-the-counter cash. But in the next coming few weeks, we're already ready for the integration of our payment gateways to accept other payments. So yun po. And from there, you can actually be receiving from your email and credential of your username and password so that you can log in to your Ascender portal. Yun po yung members portal natin, where you can monitor the whole of your business, your profit and loss, your AI companion is there, everything about your business, entrepreneurship journey, even the learning hub will be on your Ascender's portal. So you're a certified member already of Ascender International. So that's it.
Thank you. Thank you. Alright na? Game na? Meron ba?
One last question for Aiden. MLM or multi-level marketing is currently fast rising and on trends nowadays. So how is Ascendra different from that, and how is that unique from others MLM?
Competitions po.
Oh, okay. Actually marami, but based on our vision, statement ng vision namin, we help committed dreamers achieve their goals by providing them structured learning. When we say structured learning, marami kasi sa industry, pag pumasok sa company, kanya-kanya yung growth nila. What we have here, pag sumama yung distributor, meron na kaming structured learning for them. Modules, meron kaming learning hub, both online and offline. We have reliable tools, kaya kami magagamit ng AI, business analytics, para bigyan ng data yung aming mga distributors on how they will analyze their need. And of course, dependable system. Pag sabing system, kung ano yung gagawin nila, yung strategy nila to build their team, their networks, because as you know, in multi-level marketing, the bigger organization you have, the bigger reward you will get. So most of the time, the challenge kasi dyan is how to really build, sustain, and at the same time, keep the people. So what makes us unique? We have a structured learning, reliable tools, and dependable system. Yeah.
One last question or follow-up on that. Some people are SMEs to join especially multi-level marketing. So how do you convince them, or how do you motivate them to join the seminar?
Well, for us, kahit naman sa industry, meron SME na. Whether whatever profession or whatever industry, for that matter. For us, it's just a matter of education. People lack information, people are not educated about this industry. And kaya kami gusto namin umingay sa print, with your help of course, sa social media, digital age na ngayon. It's just a matter of really educating a lot of people. Ang motivation namin sa center is really build a beautiful garden where butterflies will just come in and fly in. Kasi ayaw na namin yung we keep chasing people. This time, let's build a platform where people will just chase Ascendra. Sila naman ang mag-aatid na sumama sa atin. Ayan.
There will be the last question. Last yet?
Hi, sir. Well, this is just an additional question. I've seen some of your portfolios. I've kind of investigated each one of you. Some of you have businesses. This is, of course, a thing that you might bring to the table if ever Ascendra becomes what it is in the future. Do you have plans currently to bring other businesses in so that aside from the products that you are selling, people can have the option to also earn from businesses you put up, or some sort of that? Is that in the near future?
Yeah. Actually, not in the near future. Our business model now in MLM, with our structure, and this is the first in the industry, we encourage our distributors, actually, in terms of their organization, to register their organization with the Securities and Exchange Commission para yun na yung maging legitimate organization nila. Where in the future, they can become supplier of products to their team. So hindi na lang sila kikita sa compensation plan, but they can become manufacturers or suppliers to their own team. That's one. Number two, we like to create an ecosystem sa Ascendra that aside from multi-level marketing, we provide business solution, our another division, para itong business solution na to, ito ang tumulong sa mga leaders namin, palakihin yung grupo nila, para ito rin yung same business solution tumulong sa kanila sa SEC, sa accounting, compliance, and everything.
Yes.
Same business model, meron din kaming travel agency in the future, para yung mga distributor namin, pag gusto nila umalis, yung travel agency na natin ang gagamit ng platform. Meron din tayong financial technology, corporate agency. We also have franchising in the future.
Yes.
And just for the information of everyone, this is our office right now. But as early as now, particularly these two people, dinibati ako niyan, kinuha na nila yung 300 square meters dito sa kabila for expansion. Ayan, ito na yung susunod natin i-renovate. Another 300 square meters, open space. Diyan natin ilalagay yung expansion ng Asembra. Lalo-lalo na yung Asembra division. Ayan.
Sir, do you currently have numbers of how many people have already participated or joined you guys? And in like the year or maybe next year, what are your forecasts?
All right. Currently, during our pre-operations, we call it pre-operations because we are not yet fully operating, even not on the soft operations. So during our pre-launch, because of the surge ng pagtanggap ng ating mga kasama sa industriya, currently we are pre-encoded, coming from our data, pre-encoded 3,000 members of Ascender International already. So out of the 3,000 unique links currently right now on our system, we do a one account policy. So one link equivalent to one account only. So technically that's 3,000 unique different people coming from different backgrounds na may iba't-ibang skills and talents and iba't-ibang experiences that are now gathered together. Some of them are here, yung ating mga founding partners, mag-ilero kayo dyan. And so all of those founding partners actually have their big organizations. Meron mga grupo na to coming from different companies, different backgrounds. So they brought in here in Ascender International not only themselves, but their team, the people who believe with them, the people who trust them, kasama nila sa pag-welcome dito sa Ascender International. So we're looking forward in the next few months, magdating namin ng grand launching, January 2026, we can multiply that number, the 3,000 to 5 times 5 times 10. Definitely we are already, our tech provider is also being prepared. Welcome yung infrastructure, prepare natin, the operations, the finance, the strategy, and our CEO is all ready to actually welcome yung ating mga members. So we are preparing for that during our session.
Alright, thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Introduce now for each
Or ID.
For ID.
Sa video.
Sa video show mo nila, introduce yourself one by one. Let's start with Miss Francesca. Just introduce yourself for the video.
Okay, I'm Jurgen Gonzalez, the current Chief Executive Officer of Ascender International. I've been in the industry for the last 30 years, 15 years being a distributor myself, and another 15 years as part of management of my previous company. Thank you.
Alright, next.
Hi, I'm Francesca Pizan. I am the I am the CFO of Ascender International. And background ko po is I have been a serial entrepreneur all my life. So dito po sa in-incorporate namin na entrepreneurial journey, hindi ko nasabi na expert ko ako. Pero ang daming beses ko na po natuto sa moments ng magkasegosyo. And nakadama din naman po ako ng high sa lahat ng pagdalewosyo ko. Hindi ko yung success. Diba? So, hindi ko ako.
Alright.
My name is Joseph P. I'm the CSO, Chief Strategist Officer. From the work in strategy, ang pinakatrabaho ko talaga is paano ko gagawin ang mas madali at mas masaya ang pag-network ng lahat ng distributor ng Ascender. Yun lang. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Vigo Luzon. I'm the Chief Operations Officer of Ascender International. So I've been in the industry of mobile and marketing for the past 14 years. I've been a part of the management for the past 14 years, traveling everywhere and operating offices and branches in different countries. Now, ang pinaka-trabaho natin sa Ascendra International is to give the value that we actually promise. The value of clarity, the value of structured learning, proper tools, and reliable system for each and everyone. Ang goal is pag pumasok po kayo sa opisina ng Ascendra International is maramdaman ninyo na you are at home at maramdaman ninyo that you are in place para mabot sa inyong mga partner nyo sa Ascendra.
Alright, thank you so much. And of course, we would like on behalf of Ascendra International for our media partner, maraming salamat po sa inyo.